Mission Sparkle Splash. The sun was setting over the quiet neighborhood, but a secret battle was brewing. On the arms and knees of two brave heroes, the grime goblins had set up camp. Lucas looked at his dusty feet, and Laura noticed a smudge on her elbow. The enemy was everywhere. "Commander Laura, do you see them?" Lucas whispered, reaching up to touch his bouncy, curly hair. "The dust dragons have invaded the curls." Laura nodded gravely. "There is only one way to defeat them, Lucas. We must initiate Mission Sparkle Splash." The heroes marched toward the bathroom, also known as the Great Porcelain Canyon. Inside stood the Waterfall of Wisdom. "To save the kingdom from the itchies and the stickies," Laura declared, "we must brave the spray." Lucas reached for his legendary blue shield, a soft, fluffy washcloth. "I have the equipment, Captain," he shouted. The water began to hum, a warm and inviting song that signaled the waterfall was ready for action. Whoosh! The waterfall came alive. Lucas stepped into the warm mist first. The grime goblins tried to hold on tight, but Lucas was faster. With a swipe of his soapy shield, he sent the dirt swirling down the vortex of doom. Now it was Laura's turn to face the tangle tangent. She grabbed the magic elixir, a bottle of sweet-smelling shampoo. "No knot is too tough for a hero," she cried as she began to scrub. "Look, Laura, I've made a bubble crown," Lucas cheered, piling white foam onto his head. The bathroom was filled with the scent of strawberries and victory. The dust dragons didn't stand a chance against such powerful cleanliness. With the mission nearly complete, the heroes stood under the final rinse. The last of the soap disappeared, taking the grime goblins with it. Laura stepped out and reached for the capes of comfort, two giant, warm towels. Lucas dried his curls until they bounced like little springs again. "We did it," he said, admiring his shiny skin in the mirror. They pulled on their fresh power pajamas, which felt soft and smelled like clean laundry. The kingdom was safe once more. The heroes retreated to their command center to rest and recharge. As they tucked themselves into bed, they knew that no matter how many grime goblins returned, they would always be ready for the next adventure.